Assalamualaikum Commerce Craze Hub. Operating System OS program that manages a computer's resources, especially the allocation of those resources among other programs. Typical resources include the Central Processing Unit CPU, computer memory, file storage, input/output I/O devices, and network connections. Functions of operating system: resource allocation, task scheduling, file management, device drivers, security. Functions of operating system: resource allocation, allocates resources to different applications and users. Task scheduling, schedules the execution of tasks. File management, manages files and directories. Device drivers, provides device drivers for hardware devices. Security, provides security features to protect the system from unauthorized access. Don't wait, start learning now.